Ever wondered who's making your burger or assembling your car? The answer might surprise you. In more and more places, the person behind the counter or on the assembly line isn't a person at all. It's a robot. These machines are quietly taking over tasks that used to be done only by humans, and they're doing it with speed, precision, and tireless energy. Increasingly, it's not a person, it's a robot. From fast food kitchens to massive factories, robots are stepping in to handle repetitive, difficult, or even dangerous jobs. They don't get tired, they don't need breaks, and they can work around the clock, making them the perfect employees for many industries. Picture a robotic arm flipping burgers with perfect timing and precision. Every patty is cooked exactly the same every time. No more burnt edges or undercooked centers, just consistent, delicious results. These robot chefs can prepare hundreds of meals an hour, keeping up with even the busiest lunch rushes. This isn't science fiction. It's happening in restaurants and factories right now. Walk into a modern burger joint or a high-tech factory, and you might see robots working side by side with people, handling everything from cooking to packaging. Robots are becoming our co-workers and helpers, quietly transforming daily life. They're not just replacing human workers. They're working alongside them, making jobs safer and more efficient. In some places, robots even help train new employees or take on tasks that require extra strength or precision. The car you see on the road? Likely assembled by tireless robotic arms, working 24/7 with incredible accuracy. These robots weld, bolt, and paint with a level of consistency that's hard for humans to match, ensuring every vehicle meets strict quality standards. In massive warehouses, fleets of small robots zip around, fetching your online orders in seconds. They navigate complex aisles, avoid obstacles, and deliver packages to human workers for shipping, all without missing a beat. These machines are the backbone of modern manufacturing and e-commerce, making our lives more convenient and efficient. Thanks to robots, products are made faster, shipped quicker, and delivered right to your door with incredible speed. From food to products, robots are stepping into roles once reserved for humans. They're making everything from your favorite snacks to the gadgets you use every day, and they're doing it with a level of reliability that's changing the way we live and work. This isn't just about replacing people, it's about expanding what's possible. Robots can take on tasks that are too dangerous, too repetitive, or too precise for humans, opening up new opportunities for innovation and creativity in every field. We're living through a technological revolution, and autonomous robots are at the heart of it. They're not just tools, they're partners, helping us solve problems and push the boundaries of what we can achieve. Let's dive into the world of autonomous robots and see how they're reshaping our society, one burger, one car, and one package at a time. What makes a robot truly autonomous? It's a question that's becoming more important as robots move from science fiction into our everyday lives. Autonomous robots are machines designed to operate on their own, without constant human guidance or intervention. But what does that really mean, and how do they do it? It's all about independence, robots that can sense, think, and act on their own, carrying out tasks in dynamic environments, whether it's a busy warehouse or a quiet living room. Unlike remote-controlled toys or simple machines, autonomous robots have their own brains, powerful onboard computers that let them make decisions in real time, often faster than a human could react. They use a variety of sensors, cameras, LiDAR, infrared, and more, to gather detailed information about their surroundings, constantly scanning and updating their understanding of the world. This data helps them see and interpret what's around them, from identifying obstacles to recognizing people, pets, or even changes in lighting and layout. Artificial intelligence and machine learning process this flood of data, allowing robots to plan, adapt, and even learn from experience. Over time, they get better at their jobs, improving efficiency and safety. For example, a cleaning robot doesn't just follow a set path. It maps your home, avoids obstacles like furniture or pets, and learns new layouts as you rearrange your space. Once it decides what to do, it uses motors, wheels, or robotic arms to act, carrying out tasks with precision and consistency, whether it's picking up objects or moving across a room. Delivery robots navigate busy sidewalks and cross streets, while factory arms assemble intricate parts with incredible accuracy, all without direct human control. The magic is in the cycle, sense, think, act, repeated over and over, giving robots the ability to respond to new situations and challenges with true independence. This is what lets them handle complex, real-world tasks, from assisting doctors in hospitals to sorting packages in massive warehouses, or assembling products on factory floors. Autonomous robots are more than just machines. They're decision makers, capable of learning, adapting, and working alongside us in ways that were once unimaginable. Robots in our daily lives aren't just sci-fi, they're reality. In restaurants, robotic arms prepare meals with perfect consistency and hygiene. Hospitals use robots to deliver medicine and assist in surgeries, making procedures safer and more precise. At home, robotic vacuums clean floors, while new companion robots help the elderly stay independent and connected. In agriculture, robots monitor crops and harvest delicate fruits. In disaster zones and deep-sea exploration, robots go where humans can't, saving lives and gathering vital data. These aren't just novelties, they're essential tools making our world safer, healthier, and more efficient. Robots are quickly becoming indispensable partners in every part of life. The future is here, and it's automated. Long before burger flipping, robots revolutionized manufacturing. Today's cobots work safely alongside humans thanks to advanced sensors. They weld, paint, and assemble with speed and precision, boosting productivity and quality. In e-commerce, armies of mobile robots fetch items in vast warehouses, letting humans focus on packing and shipping. This partnership means faster, more accurate order fulfillment. Robots handle the heavy lifting and repetitive tasks, while people do the nuanced work. Without these systems, rapid online shopping and delivery wouldn't be possible. Robots are the invisible force powering modern industry and convenience. They're changing how we work and what we expect from technology. The numbers don't lie, robots are everywhere and their ranks are growing fast. Over 3.9 million industrial robots now work in factories worldwide, and that number is climbing. Robots are more affordable than ever, opening automation to small businesses. The global robotics market is booming, expected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars soon. Growth isn't just in factories. Logistics, healthcare, and service robots are surging too. Falling costs and rising demand fuel a cycle of innovation and adoption. We're in the midst of a global robotics revolution, reshaping industries and work itself. The future of productivity is robotic. Why is the robot revolution happening now? It's a perfect storm of technology and necessity. Advances in AI let robots learn, adapt, and make decisions. No more simple, repetitive tasks. Cheap, powerful sensors give robots eyes and ears, making them safer and more capable. Labor shortages and aging populations push businesses to automate tough or repetitive jobs. Robots fill gaps, taking on dangerous or dull work so humans can focus on creativity and strategy. The pandemic showed how automation keeps businesses running, even in a crisis. Companies want efficiency and resilience, and robots deliver both. These forces are accelerating adoption everywhere. The age of autonomous robots isn't coming, it's already here, and it's only getting bigger. Autonomous robots are transforming our world in ways that were once only imagined in science fiction. They bring huge benefits, making jobs safer, reducing workplace injuries, and lowering costs for businesses and consumers alike. Robots can take on dangerous, repetitive, or exhausting work that humans often find risky or monotonous, such as cleaning up hazardous spills or lifting heavy objects in warehouses. By handling these tasks, robots free people to focus on creative, strategic, and meaningful roles that require human insight and imagination. This shift could make work more engaging, less physically demanding, and open up new possibilities for people of all ages and abilities. But there are real concerns about job loss, especially in industries where roles are easily automated and workers may feel left behind. Many worry that automation could replace jobs in retail, food service, and manufacturing, leading to uncertainty for millions of workers. However, history shows that technology also creates new jobs. Robotics will need designers, programmers, technicians, and specialists to build, maintain, and improve these systems. The challenge is to help workers adapt through education, retraining, and lifelong learning so they can thrive in a changing job market. As new industries and opportunities emerge, we'll see jobs that didn't exist before, from robot ethics consultants to AI trainers. Still, the transition won't be easy for everyone, and some communities may face more challenges than others. The key is to turn disruption into opportunity. With the right support, guidance, and investment in people, robots can help make work better, safer, and more fulfilling for all of us, not just a select few. The future of work is changing rapidly. Let's shape it together, ensuring that technology serves everyone and leaves no one behind. As robots become common, we must set clear rules for safety and ethics. Safety is critical. Robots must be rigorously tested and built with fail-safes. Privacy matters too. Robots collect data, so we need strong laws to protect personal information. Companies must be transparent about what data is collected and how it's used. AI can inherit human biases, so fairness and transparency in algorithms are essential. We must ensure robots make decisions that are just and equitable. Accountability is key. If a robot causes harm, we need clear answers about responsibility. By focusing on safety, privacy, fairness, and accountability, we can trust our robotic helpers. Ethical robotics is everyone's responsibility. Let's build a future where technology serves humanity. We're entering an era where robots are partners, not just tools. They're building our cars, packing our orders, and even caring for our loved ones. The possibilities are endless. Drones delivering medicine, robots helping in classrooms, and more. Technology will keep getting smarter and more accessible, opening new doors. But we must address challenges like job displacement and ethical concerns. Collaboration between engineers, policymakers, and the public is vital. Open conversation ensures this revolution benefits everyone. The future isn't set, it's something we create together. By staying curious and engaged, we can shape a world where humans and robots thrive side by side. The next chapter of our story is being written now. Let's make it a good one.